Hello, Chris Blaze here. Just going to show you how to grip a staff. Now it's basically the same with every staff. The grip I use will be in the link below. It's pretty much just refrigeration seal, okay? I find it better than all the different shiny stuff. I find it better than silicone, the silicone grip. Silicone grip's good, but the problem is when you're doing performances, all this kind of thing, you sweat. All right. So once you start sweating, it becomes like soap. So it's no good in my opinion. That's just my opinion. So basically, I use this stuff. You'll see the link below. Now to start off with, want to come in. You really want to be at least 200 mil. This is a little bit extra, but you really want to be at least 200 mil away, at least, away from your fire wick. Okay. So first of all, put it on a 45-degree angle. Okay. Right, so, and then you want this on a 45-degree angle as well. Okay, so then tape it, tape that first little bit. Now, what you want to do, come over here. Okay, is put it onto something like this, okay? Something basic like that, okay? When you're doing these, if you're making the whole thing, I recommend doing this before you put all the spokes on. Okay, so like I said, it's like this, all right? You want it on a 45-degree angle, so then this becomes straight, all right? So you want to hold that, then your staff, all right, like that. So then this actually is nice and square, okay? And then you wind it on, all right? Then put a bit of tape on it, and voila, then you get it to this point, okay? So, with me, I recommend having about a 2 to 3 mil gap in between. Okay, this really does help, which I'll explain in a little bit longer. When you're moving it creates a lot more grip. Also, too, you can grab sort of red tape. Okay, you can get red tape, put that behind it, right, and then you can see the red tape behind it, so it looks a little bit nicer. Or blue, or whatever tape you want, just electrical tape. Comes in heaps of different colours, yellows, whatever. So you can put that behind it, plus it'll strengthen your staff a lot better. Okay, so basically, I keep a gap, alright, and keeping on that 45-degree angle, and just winding it on. Just try and keep it all nice. Okay, so when you get to that end, I obviously use black. I just don't have black on me at the moment. Okay, do this, go up and down the staff, then come out a little bit more. Okay, and then what you want to do is find your middle point by doing this. So obviously it does this, so move down a little bit more, find your there we go. So there's my middle point. Little piece in there like that. So you got your middle. Voila, there's your grip for you. Like I said, I got some links below where you can get the grip from. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get more tutorials on how to learn actually how to use the staff. Pretty much everything. If you do want to learn anything else and it's not on tutorial, let me know and I'll make one up. Please subscribe, like I said in the corner there. This does really help me out. I put these up for free, so that's all I ask in return. But yeah, Chris Blaze here. Hope this really helped you out. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.